Okay, we have another one owner trade-in here. 2022 Honda HRV LX, front wheel drive. Great fuel economy, great space, lots of nice features. This particular car is in the dark gray, or the polished metal they call it. Black interior. It's already got tinted windows. The customer tinted the windows. It's got alloy wheels, automatic transmission, lots of cool features. The good news about this one, it's only got 42,000 miles on a 2022. Still Honda certified, 182 point inspection. We check it over front to back, top to bottom, side to side, fluids, filters, brakes, tires, all the mechanicals. Back it with a 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty from Honda. It's good at any Honda dealer in the United States. So rest assured, you're getting a quality pre-owned vehicle when you buy a Honda certified vehicle from Victory Honda Plymouth. Show you the inside here. Again, black interior. The seats in the back, they can fold up, so you got lots of space there. Show you the miles. The dash there with only 42,000 miles. This one won't last. These go pretty quick. It's an affordable SUV. Great look, great style, great economy. Respond to this video. Give us a call. Come down, check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth. This one could be your next ride. Thank you.